from Bangladeshi bowlers.
We are in the historic city of Dubai, and it is the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, and we are in for the final of the SEC Men's Under-19 Asia Cup 2024, and we are at the Ring of Fire as India take on Bangladesh in this all-important game. Well, I can tell you what, it is promising to be a magnificent game. The reigning champions and the Indians, they have looked awesome with their batting, and the two teams, they're all excited and ready. The Indian team, obviously they've done very well so far in the tournament. Just dropped that first game, and after that they looked amazing with their batting. And what a journey they have had. And what about Bangladesh, the reigning champions? They have promised a lot again. They dropped one game, but they played magnificently in that semi-final. In fact, both teams were magnificent, have been outstanding. They looked an awesome unit, especially after they lost that first game. I love these two openers of Bangladesh. They were brilliant where they started against Sri Lanka. In fact, I was quite surprised when they dropped that game against Sri Lanka with these two players just, almost taking the game away from the Sri Lankan bowlers. Say the toss. He decided to bat. It was a kind of a spontaneous decision.
If you look at the field now, you can see that, look at the shadows. Look at that, the dark areas. The sun just trying to creep through. In maybe 10 minutes time, the whole ground will be covered in beautiful sunlight. But at this point, and imagine for the next couple of overs, it's going to be halfway. The half pitch, when the ball comes, the bowler is going to run from the shadows. You are batting in the sunlight. That's going to be a tricky time.
Right, we're almost ready to start. Yudhajit Guha. He's been good, 8 wickets in
the next, this over at least, is going to be night and day. Day and night.
It's a day-night game without the floodlights. Playing with the natural light. But this is a contest I want to watch. The Indian seamers have looked very impressive, and so have been the Bangla openers. So 2 slips, deep third, deep backward square. The call. Here is the first ball. Straight away on the money. Yudhajit. Right, that's the first shot of aggression. Has it gone all the way? I think the umpire will want to check. I think it's a 6, but let's see.
What a shot that is. Where did this come from? First 3 deliveries were just blocked. And suddenly, Yudhajit is trying too much, too soon, and paid the penalty. It's a poor delivery. Half-hearted. Didn't put the body behind this short one as well. If you have to give a short one, has to be with full intent.
Yeah, it didn't look like bending his back. He just dropped it short and allowed Zawad to just move around and hit it over square leg. They just want to check, make sure that it is a 6. It looked like a 6 to me. Yes, I think. Oh, now, is that going on the leg side? Might be. I think did a little bit too much.
And the best thing that Zawad did was just to hold that shape.
Oh, bowled him. That is a brilliant delivery. That's a pitch. Absolutely wonderful delivery. It's cleaned up Kalam. Hit the top of the off stump, and India have got a wicket.
What a beauty that was. What a beauty. This is what the coaches, this is what all the bowlers strive for, to hit the off stump, top of off stump. And look at that, the way it just came in, and he bowled from far away from the wicket, and then the ball seemed to be coming in. And Kalam was shaping to play as if he was going to play in Dhaka, and the ball held his line. Gorgeous delivery. Kalam, after hard work, getting its... oh, this is close. This should be given out. Oh, this could have gone anywhere. This could have gone to India as well, but no. Look at them, very disappointed. First delivery, what a peach of it.
Oh, that's drifted down leg. That's offered some extra bits of run that can go to ease some nerves of Bangladesh.
Left and right combination at the crease. The bowler's got to adjust his line as well. He goes for a little too much here. Goes wide of the crease. There was movement, made life difficult for the wicket-keeper. You want...
Oh, he's hit that lustily. Oh, he was waited and bided his time. Just tint of width. And he pounced on that one.
I think he realised that Chetan Sharma wouldn't be now looking to bowl around the middle and leg stump line. So he was anticipating that ball to be outside off. And he smacked it. Look at that now. He knew the bowler's line would be outside off. He was looking for the away swinger. And he's gone with it with a full flourish of the blade, wanting to clear the infield. And he's done that well. Got in on the leg side. He's being tempted. There's no mid-wicket. There's a square leg on the fence. So the batsman's been given the invitation. Played with soft hands. And this might be four. It is.
Not the most well-controlled shot. You'll feel that the batter sort of half-hearted attempted that one. Give him credit for the fact that maybe he just had soft hands on it, opened the face ever so slightly. Got to look at that. Just there, at the last moment. Just opening the face and just wide enough. And 4 runs, the ease and not up nerve. Good effort, but to...
पहले कुछ ओवरों में दोबारा जोरदार अपील और यस, अंपायर ने ऑन फील्ड डिसीजन आउट दे दिया है. जवाद वहां पर खुश नहीं दिख रहे. मोहम्मद अमान ने बुलाया चेतन शर्मा को पेविलियन छोर से और पहली गेंद पर सफल था. जवाद जो अच्छी लय में दिख रहे थे, दोबारा एक दिशाहीन गेंद के पीछे पड़े और इस बार हरवंश सिंह ने कोई गलती नहीं की. पिछले ओवर में आयुष मात्रे ने स्लिप पर एक जीवन दान दिया और इस बार अंपायर का निर्णय आउट. पेविलियन का रास्ता दिखाया जवाद को. 20 पर आउट. दूसरा विकेट पतन बांग्लादेश का. 41 पे 2 बांग्लादेश. ट्रेनी क्रिकेट में ऑलरेडी डेब्यू कर चुके. दोबारा एक छोटी गेंद, अच्छा पोजीशन बनाया वहां जेम्स ने और चौका जड़ दिया कवर्स के क्षेत्र में.
और इसके साथ साथ बांग्लादेश टीम का अर्धशतक पूरा होता हुआ. शाब जेम्स एक अच्छी स्ट्राइक रेट के साथ इन्होंने चेतन के ऊपर ये काउंटर अटैक किया है. पिछला ओवर चेतन का अच्छा जा रहा था, लेकिन यहां गैप ढूंढा और आउटफील्ड ने साथ दिया. छोटी गेंद और खूबसूरत.
और हमारे तभी अंडर 19 के कोच थे बल्लू सर. आधा तो लड़के उनसे ही, उनके ही खौफ में रहते थे. ये दोबारा एक खराब गेंद और हकीम ने इसको हल्के हाथों से दिशा दे दिया. वैभव सूर्यवंशी चेज में जरूर रुचि रखे और उसे रोक नहीं पाए.
ये बहुत ही खतरनाक विकेट है. अजीजुल हकीम, इनका विकेट लेना बहुत जरूरी. टॉप स्कोरर बांग्लादेश के. 1 शतक, 2 अर्धशतक इनके नाम. और यहां भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि वही लय, वही फॉर्म लेकर आते हैं. एक चांस वहां पर बन सकता था, लेकिन शिहाब को मिल जाएंगे 4 और रन्स.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. थोड़ी दोबारा वहां पर दिशाहीन गेंदबाजी और जेम्स ने दिखा दिया वो अवेयरनेस. वो रुके थे खराब गेंद के लिए. पॉइंट फील्डर थोड़ा सा स्क्वायर रखा था और उसे लेफ्ट से बीट किया. गली लिया है और उन दोनों के बीच में वो गैप को.
In the air, deep square leg fielder in place, and the pressure has been created in the last 6 overs, resulting in the captain going against the turn and easily caught at deep square leg.
Exactly the point you were making earlier. The pressure got to Azizul Hakim. Because Shihab was playing so many dot deliveries, he realized that he had to go big against the run of play. They're happy, and why not? They know that this is a big, big wicket. What was he trying to do? Wanted to go big. But they got taking a very smart catch. It's never easy. And you're trying to get the wicket of the big one. This may be a game changer wicket for India. Goes for 16. It's 66 for 3.
In the gap, and should be a boundary. That was a good shot. Boundary after a very long time. Ends the 20th over. 73 for 3.
Of the order. Ashish Atan.
Oh, goodness, that was played almost off the wicketkeeper's gloves. That delivery was aimed at the off stump.
Could do with that. It's a very close call, but you've got to sometimes, as I mentioned earlier, take a few.
He did well today as well, so I think we felt this was the strongest team.
Oh, that's gone for maximum. Over the top. Bangladesh need more hits like that, but happy with the way your bowlers have bowled today.
So far, so good, yes. Yes. I hope we keep going that way.
Bangladesh looking to get a move on from here. The batting seems to be a little stronger with Kiran Chormale playing in the middle order.
Yes, I think we have a decent batting lineup and should be good to.
Played away in the gap. Over mid-wicket for 4. Picked his area, Shihab. He was given the license and the invitation. He's taken it.
Why take a risk when the ball is short? Shihab James, right throughout his innings, he hasn't reluctant to play any big strokes, but that occasion dragged down, wakened mid-wicket, and a finger spinner got to go quicker. Shot down the ground. No, long off field in place and taken easily.
Yes, Andre Siddharth at the boundary rope at long off makes no mistake. And he gave a few runs, but he's picked up his man. He's got the wicket that India were looking for. The partnership's been broken. And the crowd silenced just a bit, especially the Bangladesh supporters. A partnership of 62 being broken like this.
This was going to happen. Off spinner coming into the attack. One of these right-handers probably will target. They tried. Aish Matre, first over he bowled, strikes for India and breaks that massive partnership of 62. Shihab James gone for 40 of 67. Bangladesh 128 for 4.
In the end, taken! That's a sharp catch by Hardik Raj. He's a gun fielder. And that's the reason why he's stationed in that position. And he's taken a very sharp catch. Karthikeya, his statement will be a happy lad.
I just had the feeling Debashish Dev probably will be aggressive. He played that stroke on length. But a good catch by Hardik Raj, had the presence of mind when he dived, when he didn't allow his elbow to hit the ground and pop out. Gone for 1, Debashish. Bangladesh 132 for 5.
Oh, this was too far wide down leg side. Helped away for 4. Rizan's the set batter. You can't make that kind of mistake against him, especially with fine leg inside the 30-yard circle.
A fine leg in the 30-yard circle and deep square leg fielder very much square towards mid-wicket. Becomes almost a free hit. The field had short fine leg, a valiant attempt but good enough.
They're thinking about the game. They know that it can change very fast. Oh, this is going to be a boundary. So, luck. The rub of the green also going Bangladesh way at this time.
So close it was. So close. Yet so far for India. Boundary they will take it, Bangladesh. It was a genuine outside edge. Fielder, the wicketkeeper not quite up to the mark.
I think the keeper took his own sweet time.
That's great for the team. Ball him, straight through him. That's a big one. Hardik gets Rizan. That is a superb delivery. Came in sharply. Played for the turn and missed. That is a big, big wicket in the context of the game.
Context of the game, and I must compliment the captaincy. You know, the captain knew that he is my main bowler. He's not getting any success. He's been expensive compared to others. He brought him around from the other end. And our scorer also made a mistake. The first ball he bowled, it was like Karthik was bowling. But I said, oh, this is a left-arm spinner. And now look at that. Immediately, the scenario changed and then end change.
If they can. That will make... Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, that is fantastic piece of fielding. That's a run out. That's brilliant work from the bowler himself. Excellent cricket by India.
Well, the bowler cannot take the credit of creating the situation. It's bad cricket by Bangladesh. So something that was thrown up in the air has been grabbed by India, and I think the presence of mind was the key here. He knew that instead of throwing, he will just run up and do that, and I think just as good as 2 for 36.
Again, straight to the fielder. Hardik gets another one.
It's 2 for 36 now.
You called it right. It's 2 for 36 for Hardik. Flat batted it straight to the fielder. That's another one for India. Bangladesh definitely losing the track, losing wickets on consecutive occasions. They're all happy. The captain is satisfied. He's been brilliant throughout the inning. The mean business. And this one being the latest, just played it straight in the hand of the captain himself. MD Al Fahad gone for
A younger crop here. Featuring for India. That's hit well. Hit in the gap and hit for 4. Welcome runs here for Bangladesh. And that boundary will also end the over. 174 for 8.
In the middle, Farid and Maruf.
Another one.
Goes for it. That is going to the boundary. Good strike. That is a bold strike. Gets the scoreboard ticking along nicely. They are pretty happy with that. It's got a thick outside part and goes away to the boundary. Maybe a little fortuitous, but he'll take it. Desperate effort, but 4 more runs towards that total they're looking at. Excellent stuff. Bit of luck, but that'll do.
Call it the commentator's curse. That's exactly what I was talking about. Not too many boundary balls and they get...
Oh, just drifting down leg. I think Azhari now has been given. It seemed to be holding in at an angle, but possibly in front of the leg stump there.
Given out by the... and hit the leg stump. So Farid's gone for 39. Bangladesh now.
Well, there he goes. Up in there. There's a fielder coming around and he takes it easily. That is the end of the Bangladesh innings. Trying to go over the top. In the process, he holds out.
Here they're talking about wanted to win more tosses because he's been at the losing end of the tosses.
After that, this was the partnership. Well, India, maybe they could have actually saved these 30 runs. It might just become costly if these two players on your screen, Ayush Mhatre, and on this other end, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, if they don't get going, this is what Bangladesh need to make this 199 look like 230. They have to got these two out.
Yeah, they need early wickets. Maruf, Mrida, 4 wickets in 3 matches. Average is good, economy is good as well. So it is Ayush Mhatre on strike. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is at the non-striker's end, and India's target is 199. Oh, Bangladesh have struck. We have spoken about this young man, Al Fahad, and he strikes with a wicket in the first over. He's the leading wicket taker, and he's got rid of the big fish. Ayush Mhatre, he's been in very good form, but not this time.
Well, look at that. Game on. I think it's going to be a humdinger. Look at that. Good delivery coming in, and what a poor shot that is. He was nowhere near that. Just throwing the bat at it. This is casual batting. This is not tight batting. You've got to respect the new ball. Otherwise, you will be walking back like how Ayush Mhatre is walking back. Only 1 run, and India is 4-4.
Short and wide. That's 4. Width on offer, length on offer.
Very well played. Just that check back foot slap from Andre. It was not that bad a ball, I must say. It's slightly off stump, outside the off stump, angled in. And look at that, he didn't play the actually spends time. And this is, the leaf out of Rahul Dravid's book. another good shot by Andre, and another boundary. So 2 boundaries coming out that over. Little bit of pressure coming off. Still one more delivery to go because of the 2 wides in this over. And now the flags come out from Indian supporters.
Yeah, they've been quite silent. And now they start to express themselves.
But it's over and it's 12 for 1 after 4.
Short delivery. No holding back. 1 bounce for 4.
Well, he is not going to change his game, wickets or no wickets. He's going to go. Whatever he feels that he is capable of hitting, he'll hit it. I think it's 1 bounce. It's a boundary. It's not a 6. We can have another look at it. But one thing I like about it, clarity of mind. You can see that he's not bothered about it. He's backing his own strong points. And he had so much time to play that shot. If you have to bowl a short one, it has to be really quick and like a surprise element.
Right, that's a look. Oh, up and over. No, that's not a good delivery. You have a short third, you don't bowl short and wide.
Well, I don't mind having that short third man, but that delivery back to back, just follow up of the last delivery, which was such a good one. He knows that he is flashy on the off stump, and he just gave him his bread and butter shot opportunity.
This time caught. That was pitched up. I thought pace off. And Suryavanshi playing a little bit early, flying off an outside edge. And Bangladesh have got their 2nd wicket. Both openers gone.
Is this the turning point? Is there a trail in the twist in this match? What a remarkable start by the bowlers. They've got 2 big guns. In spite of going for 2 boundaries in this over, again, this is what I meant. He gave that gift outside off stump in the previous delivery. This was the area where he's going to trouble the batsman. And look at this. Sometimes the ego of the player, and he's only 13, we have spoken about him, but this was the worst moment to go for the shot.
Slow one, hit it lustily over the top of the bowler. And that was loose one. And that was the one he was waiting for.
Yeah, good shot with authority by Siddharth. How far that location was too full for a slow delivery. Thought it was an off cutter for a right hander playing to the arc, who has been batting well. The young
From Rizwan, a bit of pace, a bit of inward movement, it's bit and bat and pad, and the death rattle behind.
I think got a slap from the wicketkeeper as well. Celebrating so hard. Oh, young man, I think he should be okay. The physio has been called up, but a water delivery. It's a jack back. Nice lane, nice and full, good seam position, probably inside edge. And that was a soft stroke and got to be set, and a soft dismissal for a number 3 player trying to chase the score down. Andre Siddharth.
Every time Bangladesh got a wicket, they broke the partnership. Is there an edge? Is there an edge? Yes, there is. There is another one. Another big wicket. They're all on their feet. This is a huge moment. And may turn out to be a match-winning moment for Bangladesh.
What an over. What an over from Iqbal Hassan Imran. He's hit the right length, hit the right area, drew the left-hander forward. Just fishing for the ball was Nikhil Kumar. Gets the outside edge. And he's gone without scoring. India in deep trouble. 73 for 5.
लक्ष्य को और छोटा करते रहिए बस.
लेकिन यहां हरवंश का विकेट गिरता हुआ. इकबाल इमरान अनुशासित गेंदबाजी, एक बार फिर वही लेंथ और वही अंदाज विकेट लेने का. बहुत मुश्किल में अब इंडियन इनिंग्स, और इकबाल इमरान यहां खतरनाक फॉर्म में लगते हुए.
बस एक्शन रिप्ले ही नजर आ रहा है. बल्लेबाज बदल रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं बदल रहा. वही लाइन, वही लेंथ, वही एंगल, वही बाएं हाथ का बल्लेबाज और वही नतीजा. इस बार हरवंश सिंह पंगालिया आउट हुए 6 रन बना के. 81 पे 6 भारत.
विकेट एशिया कप में इमरान के नाम आ चुके हैं। अगर पूरे एशिया कप के इतिहास की बात की जाए तो उस लीडर बोर्ड में सबसे ऊपर है इरफान पठान, जिन्होंने 2003 के उस संस्करण में 18 विकेट चटकाए थे। दूसरे स्थान पर अब पहुंच चुके हैं इमरान 13 विकेट के साथ। इरफान पठान के उस रिकॉर्ड के आगे तो नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे, लेकिन बहुत ही शानदार टूर्नामेंट उनके लिए। बांग्लादेश का एक भविष्य का सितारा बन सकता है। और ये जो आंकड़ा मैंने आपसे साझा किया, ये सिर्फ पेसर्स की बात है। इरफान पठान के लिए वो बहुत ही खास सीजन था 2003 का। अल फहाद और इमरान दो बेहद सफल गेंदबाज बांग्लादेश की ओर से, लेकिन अगर इनके ओवर्स को खेल लिया जाए तो बहुत सारे और विकल्प मौजूद रहेंगे। यहां थोड़ी शांति छा गई है और अमान जैसे जैसे और बॉलों का सामना करेंगे, ये माहौल और बदलता जाएगा। बॉल्स बहुत है, 141 रन चाहिए 107। ओ करीबी मामला, अपील आउट। अल फहाद को मिलता हुआ ये विकेट। किरण शोरमले अब यहां से वापस जाएंगे और एक बार फिर से ये जनता अपने कदमों पर।
दोनों टीमों के बीच का अंतर आज जो रहा है ना, वो रही है बांग्लादेश की गेंदबाजी और उनके तेज गेंदबाज। इमरान से आप बचेंगे कहां बचेंगे। अल फहाद ने कहा जी हां मैं भी हूं, मैं भी इस मुकाबले में मौजूद हूं। किरण चोरमरे एक ही रन बना पाए।
For India, it's only the captain really holding things together. A little tentative, take a foot forward, trying to get to the pitch, and had to check.
Well, long on our back. So good temptation from Tamim himself. Probably thinks that he can entice Aman coming forward or jumping up.
Some door resistance coming from this pair can lead up to a bit of frustration.
Still a long way to go. 84 runs in 18.4 overs with 3 wickets in hand. The equation doesn't look very good for India.
Skipper on now, trying to do his bit, inducing a thick outside part of the bat. Goes to his overs very quickly. There's Azizul Hakim Tamim. Hardly gives the batter time to settle down. He's ready. Batter equal to the task, makes him wait. This time the inside part of the bat, getting a bit of grip, bit of purchase from the wicket.
With a long stay for Aman in the middle. 64 deliveries he's faced. Oh! Is the big one. Skipper to skipper. And there it is. This coach has jumped up, hugged the team management, and I think now they're sure that the trophy is in the bag.
Well, they're almost there. Bangladesh captain doing the job. There was good partnership going, but what about this delivery? Just a floater, got the grip, got in bat and pad, and struck timber. That is magnificent. This is leading from the front, and this is almost the job done for Bangladesh. The Indian skipper goes for 26, and it's 115.